All right, so this video will go over the PAR request form for any staff changes. So again, you'll select the PAR request and then you'll scroll down and select what is changing. So change in title, salary, and or hours. That's what we'll do first. So you're gonna put the supervisor's name and email, the staff person receiving the change and their email address, the area number and the area name, and the effective date for the change. And then you'll select all that apply. So if it's a title and change in monthly hours, you'll put the new title, you'll put the new monthly salary and new monthly hours. If one of them aren't changing, you can put to no change. So again, just select whatever is changing. Change in status just means they're going from part-time to full-time. And then any comments, and you'll submit it to our office. If you have a staff person that is going on parental leave or temporary leave of absence, you can select that, put in their name and their supervisor's name and email address, the area number, the area name, and then the reason for the leave. So if it's parental leave, there's going to be a set of questions on how the region can assist during that time. If it's just temporary leave or personal leave, it will have when it's going to begin and end. And then you'll want to make sure for all three options to put the name of the area person to contact during your absence, as well as that phone number and the email address. And just a reminder that you'll want to make sure to discuss the leave with the committee chair. And then you'll submit it, and we will go ahead in the regional office to submit the official PAR for the payroll change. And then lastly, termination for all staff departures. Once this form is submitted, the regional office will process the termination PAR for the staff member's last day, and an exit survey will also be emailed to the staff member for additional feedback. Supervisors are expected to have an exit interview with the leaving staff member prior to their last day, and we have included a resource for recommended questions to use during that interview. So you'll put your supervisor name, the email address, staff person name, and staff person email, their job title, area number, area name, and then the reason for termination, as well as the effective date. And then just list if the person is going to remain a volunteer for the area. If so, we'll keep them on the regional newsletter email list. And then if they're keeping their P cards, say they're going to be a committee member or a key volunteer, that might be a reason why they keep it. We'll just make sure to note that when we're filling out their PAR. And then you'll submit and be on your way. Again, if you have any questions, let us know.